Hello fellow chefs, this is Zainab Ali. Welcome to Dish Out. Here I try to recreate and improvise recipes while reserving the authentic taste of the dish. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and don't forget to like, comment and share if this recipe was good enough for your taste buds. Firstly, add sugar to a non-stick pan. Once it melts, pour in some ghee. Mix well. And put it aside. Now in a blender, put torn bread pieces, sugar, eggs, some vanilla extract. And a splash of milk. Blend everything together. Then pour the caramel from earlier in a pudding mold. Followed by the blended mixture. Place the mold in a boiling steamer. Cover the top with aluminum foil and put on the lid. Let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Thank you for watching.